Good morning, everybody. So today I have another grocery haul for you all. This one is just a top-up shop. I did my main shop last week, so I'll link that one down below if you want to check that out. So just a small shop this week. It came to $44.70. I'll start over here with this. This is nappies. These are just for my son, just for nighttime. Some dentist sticks for my doggy, some frozen strawberries. My son is obsessed with these. Apple juice, 4 3-litre milks, lemon soft drink, bananas, capsicum, and I didn't actually order a mango. I think that's meant to go with someone else's order, but they've given it to me by mistake. But oh well. And burrito kits just for an easy dinner to go with the chicken this week. A couple of things of lollies because they're on special. A couple of things of these because they were on special. My son is obsessed with these, and they're really good because they're literally just strawberry and banana. There is nothing else in them at all. And then I also got some cappuccino decaf sachets, also on special. And these are on special too. Vegemite, little jar of Vegemite. We go through so much Vegemite in our house. We absolutely love it. And eggs. Can't remember if I said eggs already, but they're there. And that is it. So yeah, not much. So I only paid $44.70. So I am very, very happy with that. And that was at Coles. So like I said, most of this stuff was on special, and that's why I ended up getting it so cheap. So that is my little grocery haul. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in my next video. Bye.